at the BJP president of Madhya Pradesh. He goes on to call him impotent.
माननीय बीडी शर्मा यदि मुझे आतंकवादियों का हिमायती मानते हैं तो उनकी नपुंसकता पर मुझे निराशा होती है। जो व्यक्ति सरकार में ट्रिपल इंजन सरकार, केंद्र, राज्य, नगर पालिका, नगर निगम, वो मुझे आतंकवादी का सहयोगी मानता है तो वो नपुंसक है कि नहीं, तो मेरे खिलाफ कार्रवाई नहीं करवा रहा है।
And we've got to this war of words getting only fiercer. VD Sharma has hit back in equal measure. Listen in.
तो उन्हें तो अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए कि अनुसूचित जाति और जनजाति के भाइयों और बहनों को किस प्रकार से सरकार ने प्रमोट किया है। ये जो तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति करना कि मुसलमानों के प्रति आपका अगर इतना प्रेम है, और ये जो दोहरा चरित्र है कि एक और आप कहते हैं कि एससी और एसटी के लिए, तो ये जो दोहरा चरित्र दिग्विजय सिंह के इन वक्तव्य में उनके मन के अंतर्भाव उजागर होते हैं कि एससी एसटी के प्रति इनके भाव क्या हैं।
Govind, we've played multiple reactions from VD Sharma, but what is the exact comment that Digvijay Singh was reacting to, where he says that he was called a terrorist sympathizer?
Actually, actually, when Digvijay Singh was addressing to the party workers, one of the journalists asked him regarding a question that you are being supposed to be close aid of terrorist. So this was somewhat the pinching question for Digvijay Singh. Then he says that if I'm just having some relation with terrorist, you have triple engine government. You have the government in the state, you have the government in the center, you have government in the council also here. Municipal councils, in fact. So Digvijay Singh says that why you not lodging the FIR against me? I've not seen anyone like Napunsak like you. If you are, means this is the kind of derogatory terminology of the word was used by Digvijay Singh about the BJP chief of Madhya Pradesh, VD Sharma. So definitely war of words on many angles have started here in Madhya Pradesh. BJP is attacking on Digvijay Singh that he is favoring to the Muslim community by cutting down the
one wonders what interpretation can be of the statement that has been given by Digvijay Singh. Is he trying to say that the BJP government has worked for the betterment of SC/STs, that their condition has actually improved from what it was earlier? Is that what he is trying to say by questioning the status of Muslims in comparison? Several other questions that we will explore at 9 p.m. tonight. Do stay tuned for that debate. Thank you, Govind, for joining us. We take a very quick break.
Paralympic gold